Sinaktan ka na eh. Niloko ka na eh. Ano, gusto mo masaktan ulit? Iko-confront mo para saktan ka ulit? You are giving the person an opportunity to put more pain in you. To those people who were in my space, and especially those people who are immersed in my space, kahit marami kang mentor, pag may challenges ka, pinagdadaanan ka, sinong unang pumapasok sa isip mo? Di ba? Parang, wala na, balik ako kay Sir MJ. Sagad na ako eh. Right? It's because, you know, whatever it takes, 100%, when we say power talks, I'm gonna be here. It's an absolute certainty that I will show up, yeah? That's because of the discipline. Because for me, that's what I want. I wanna do that for people. Are you with me still? So, sino dito, yung gustong-gusto mong magkakotse, gustong-gusto mong magkamotor, gustong-gusto mong magka-resulta o pera, right? And understand this. I'm not even thinking about the pain of the future because this pain of understanding na hindi mo makukuha yung gusto mo pag wala kang disiplina at makukuha mo yung gusto mo if you have discipline, that's the pain from the future, yeah? How about Sir MJ? In my present moment, right now, I have a situation eh. I was betrayed. A lot of people are hating on me. May sinasabi silang hindi maganda, sir, niloko ako eh. The first reaction that we have is this. Sino dito ha? The first reaction is confront. Sino dito, yeah? Agree kayo doon? That's the first reaction. I will confront. Good news. Sinaktan ka na eh. Niloko ka na eh. Ano, gusto mo masaktan ulit? Iko-confront mo para saktan ka ulit? You are giving the person an opportunity to put more pain in you. Are you with me still? You're gonna ask, why did you cheat on me? May kwento pa yan. Pwede ka niya i-gaslight kasi it's your fault. Ngayon kasalanan mo pa. Good news. If you were betrayed, you feel bad about yourself. So if they try to gaslight you, believe that. Di ba? Binibigyan mo yung tao ng karapatang saktang ka lalo eh. Ito ba malupit? If you try to confront them, pwedeng hindi sila mag-show up. Can you imagine, niloko ka na, sinaktan ka na, ikaw pa yung maghahabol para lang saktan ka ulit? Yes or yes? It's like, you know it already, they betrayed you. So the best question is this worth it? Because if it's not, I don't want confrontation. I just want to surrender myself. I want to be happy. I don't care. I just want to be happy. This is what I want. And understand this for your notes. Success is the only revenge. It's the only. It's not the best, it's the only. Gusto mo makagante? Pagpayaman ka. Not for them, but for you. That's the only revenge. The revenge is, be happy. Alam mo, ang sakit sa kanila, no? Niloko ko na nga, ang saya pa rin niya. Ang lakas niya. Are you with me still? Just be happy. You know, ang daming nanloko. Paramihan ng nanloko, marami sa akin. Ewan ko ako champion dito. You know, betrayal award na sa akin yun. Parang maraming nanloko sa akin. But I don't care. Regardless of what they did to me, I have power talks.